Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get started on Second Life, and this is the look I'll start with. It's Maria, I think. So I have the Firestone viewer and it's the best one. So you can pick your avatar. When you go in, click avatar, and then we have chosen avatar in here, and there's so many you can choose, but we're not gonna do that now. We're gonna go from a noob avatar to a complete done avatar and by step. So for now I'm gonna click on avatar, pose stand, and make her stand on. Okay, now she's standing, sitting, whatever. Let's do the T-pose. So let me detach the hair. To remove stuff, we right click and detach, and I'm going to show you how to put on stuff. So I'm gonna get rid of everything. And okay, I'm not gonna get rid of the dress because she's gonna be naked. I'm gonna remove the dress when you have the mesh body. First place we're gonna go is Cadwa. You click on the search item. Let's go way up and tap in Cadwa, because we start with the mesh head. And this is the second one. The first one is the group. So let's teleport to Cadwa and pick up a head. So let's click on this on the back. So I need to wait to load so I can see the store for heads. They have male and female stuff in here, so let's keep walking until it's loaded. There we go. You go in the store. You can look up for heads and stuff. And the most important thing that my best friend Stella teach me is do not rush and buy. Try everything on, and when you like it, you buy it. So yeah. Look over. Oh, here it is. I'm standing in front of it. So I'm wearing this hat. It's really beautiful. So to buy stuff on Second Life, you right click and click pay. This hat is 5,000 lindens, what is $20. And the head is the most expensive thing. So yeah, to get a demo, left click on buy. You see here it's 0. We're gonna try it on now. Let's click on the face. Let's move a little bit more down, and let's make her stand again so she's not moving much. Let's zoom in. You click on this inventory, and whenever you buy stuff, it's gonna be under recent. So here it is, Cadwa head demo. I think we need to unpack it first. Yes, accept. And now you're gonna have this new folder. And if you're wearing bags, right click and detach. So let's go Cadwa head. Cadwa heads are expensive, but you get like facial expressions and a lot more, but I'm gonna show you in a minute. So let's go put it on. Cadwa Alpha had a nice. It's been a while, so I hope I get enough this. So we need to find where it says Cadwa head. There it is. And don't be wondering if it's looking weird. So let's get everything on face light. You get Cadwa eyes. Let's put this on. There we have a shape for the head. Okay, it's making it way smaller. Cadwa head and eyes. Let's see if this makes the skin disappear. Yes, there it is. You need to put an alpha. Okay, let me zoom back in. So this is how the head looks. Don't wonder why it's pale. You don't have no skin. You have to buy extra skin and body applier. I'm gonna take you there. So let's put. We have animations. I'm gonna show you. You have eye appliers to change the eye color. Like you will have these logos because it's demo. After you buy it, everything will disappear, and it's looking weird. It's demo. So let's get some blue eyes. You can have 2 different eye colors as well. Okay, let's click detach. And here you have all these animations. I'll show you just one. So she will make animations with her head, with her eyes. Let's use this tongue one. Like, there's so many you can try. I love this one. This is a flirty one. So this is for the cat by head. Now we're gonna go and buy a mesh, try on a mesh body. So we remove this knob one and let's go. Okay, here it is. Let's teleport. Like, when you get the mesh body, when you look for clothes, you have to buy for the Maltrea body, and when you buy it, there will still be options for sling and other body creators, but you need to buy the one for Maltrea and put it on. Like, she's walking like a dog. Okay, here we are. This is what you guys need. This is the mesh body. Again, we want to buy, right click to the buy, and since we want the demo, let's click on the demo once and you'll see the price 0. Buy. Click to the front. Let's zoom in on her. Pose then again. Let's go with the T-pose. Now we're gonna click on inventory. Let's collapse it. Recent. Inventory. Maltrea body. And here it is. The main body. Let's start with left and right hand. You right click and click add. Then we need the feet. It's gonna be replaced. I don't know if you see it already. Then Lara mesh bra. I think this alpha need to be put on. It's replacing this. Here we have the body. These are the hands. Here it is. And then let's put panties on that you get as well. Mesh body Lara. Let's add all this on. Hands are on. I don't know if I put the panties on. Hands, I think I did. I'll try to detach the dress. Yes, she have this on that you get for free as well. So this is the mesh body. You will see demo all around because it's a demo. So let's go to the HUD. You get all the HUD. HUD means you can change things on it. So it will be here. And for example, when you wear clothing and you can see the skin, you just click on the parts like feet. Let's show hands and stuff. When you go on layers, this is for the brow, you can get rid of here. Here for the skin parts, you can change the nail color. The feet shape, for high heels you need this shape or this, and this is for like this. Then you can change the length of your nails. The hand pose to a peace sign, whatever you like. So this is for that. You can detach it, but I'm always leaving it here. Just right click and detach here. So we have our mesh body and mesh head. Now we're gonna go and look for a skin, and the best skin shop is Egozy for me. Usually I have to go extra, find the skin and find the mesh body, but by Egozy you already have everything in a pack, so let's go there. So you can go and try them on. So I'm gonna show you what one I have. It's still loading. I have this kind of this Rihanna Fenty Beauty skin and I have this one Loyola, but I'm gonna try this one. So when you buy the skin, you have to pick a shade, but when you get a demo, you have all the shades you can try on, and you get all the shades when you buy it for the mesh body, for the body applier. So let's click on the picture, price 0, buy, click on your face, go again in this T-pose so you see it the best. So like I said, don't be worried about these icons. All around, when you buy it, it will be all gone. So again, click on inventory, recent, you see Egozy Fenty, and you see already here Maltrea Belza, Omega, Sling. Since your body is Montreal, you're gonna click on that and add. And on the side you will already have to pick the color you're gonna wear. So I'm using the shade number 6 or 7, depend. I'll use the golden one the most, so you will see the change. I hope, this is for the body. So I have a body applied. And now we're gonna go click Omega. It's for the head, or it's this, let me check. Yeah, this is Nemago Katwa. We have a Katwa head, so it's this. And we pick the exact same shade, so it's matching. It's the same color thing, or did it pick a lighter one? Let's see. Look how pretty it already looks, and it's even demo. Right click, detach. So these are the hair. There's so many hair, and it's not like you get one shape and one hair. Here you get like about 10 different hair colors, different hairstyles, with pins, without pins. I'm gonna show you one here. Let's see what they have. I have already a few of here. I love this snapback one. This looks nice. Let's go and click on the picture over here. Okay, on the picture down there. Bye. Yeah. So I got it here, recent. There we go, little bones, and we start with like here, M for Montreal, I think, or for medium, I'm not sure. So we add on the hair. Let's take a while. Then you go up and open the hats. So the hat means changing something, like. And first you pick a hair color. When you buy, you would just buy one, or you can buy the whole pack. I love like blonde roots. Right click and add. I crashed, guys. I'll come back in a sec. Okay, they moved me somewhere else because the location is not available. But hey, this hat came up now for the hair colors. So let's click on it. So first off, depend on what hair color you buy. You can try them on. This hair is actually cute. Depend if you want blondes, browns, black hair, like balayage, or pinks, pastels. And what I mentioned, it's not like you can change the hairstyle. This is what I mean. Like, you get one hair, it's not even expensive, but you get so many different hairstyles, and you get many hair colors, and like, this is so cool. I love it. Oh no, we are here, guys. So here's pumpkin, here's Selena. The stuff there are amazing. So let's go in. I still have to load everything. Landmark. When you accept the landmark, you can come back later. Okay, the store is massive. Look at these track pants. I think Yala have them. Oops. Yala is creating them. Like, they're everywhere in shop. Like here, there's some shops you get like a hat with different hair colors. But in Vilena you can pick one color. And let's try some track pants on. Let's go with the pink ones. When you click on a picture, you get all of them, like. So you can try it on and then click here and buy the color you want. So let's show you the price. You can see here 279 linens. Yikes. So Vilena. Half tee, let's try it on. Oh, we do get a top. Oh, we have to unpack. Everything have to be unpacked. Some stuff cannot be unpacked like this, so you have to go to a sandbox, drop it on the floor, and then. Okay, we get the top and the bottom here, so click, accept, detach, and your tank crop top, accept, click on, and detach. So you have here 3 folders with unpacked. You click to Maltrea if you have a Maltrea body on, like I showed you. Then This is the HUD for the T, where you can change colors. It's still loading, I'm sorry. Hi joggers, Montreal. And I'm gonna show you how to work with this mesh body thing in tank top demo. I think there's 2 parts of this, so let's add it on. So I didn't know, this is not really showing. Let's detach it, and there's no color on it, it's a demo. So like I showed you before, you see here this part. Let's click on cleavage. Where is it? Chest, pelvis. No, it's pelvis called. So you will see. Oh, I have this panties on. Let me get on layers. Or you just go on Maltrea, inventory, scroll to Maltrea, and let's find your panties and bra. Detach. So it's gone. So you see here still see-through. Let's click on like upper legs, and it's gone, like, and lower legs. I mean, upper and lower legs should be gone. And there's no glitch, but if you see here parts missing, just click on here. So it's back, and on here. This is the back part. So the track pants look nice. You will have them in color. So let's click on here. This is the back. This is the front. Like you will get it all in color, but right now it's like this. But like this store have so many amazing stuff. So it's loading, and already you can see these amazing boots and shoes and everything. When you click up, you have the demo. And when you go to pick the shoes, let's zoom in here. You pay the color, right click and pay. Let me show you the price. It's not that expensive. It's all Gucci. So I'm gonna try these first shoes. Oh, this is our boots. I forgot. So there's so many cute ones. I want to show you one particular ones. It looks so amazing. I have this one. They're so pretty. So let's click on it and try it on. Again, inventory recent, and it's already unpacked. Be sure to click M for Montreal. You don't just get one shoe in the demo. Depends from the store, but in this store you get just one shoe. So this is how it looks. It's pretty. Little strawberry shoes. They didn't have this icon like the other demos, but that's why you just get one shoe. If you want to walk with one shoe that doesn't have any, okay, it have demo on the back, but they are pretty. Okay guys, I switched to my account and I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty skin. You just cannot see it because I have lips add-on. So yeah, I have to fix the shirt later. So this is how it should look after you purchase the head, the skin, the mesh body. And of course I have extra lashes. I have different eyes that I purchased. I purchased this kitty, like kitty ears. I have a choker. And I have so many other styles. I'm going to show you what I'm currently wearing. So I think it should be the new dress, new hair. I showed you the stuff from the Vilena store. This is how it looks currently. And I would say, guys, you should definitely check my best friend Stella Sage. She'll make a video and explain, but she's better in it than me. She's 2 years, she teaches me, she's my teacher, and she will teach you guys even more. This is just a kind of short version to get started. And I would say this is it for now, guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye!